Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable security questions for local account creation on Windows 10. Type gpedit.msc in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand administrative templates. Click and expand Windows components. Click Credential User Interface. Open Prevent the use of security questions for local accounts. Check Enabled. Click Apply, OK. Close and exit Group Policy Editor. Restart system. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.